Hey everyone, and welcome to MarineMax Rogers. I'm Jason Chapman, and today we're going to take a look at a recent trade-in that we took in. This is a 2018 Sea Ray 350 SLX. Absolutely beautiful boat here. We have our white upper, our classic Sea Ray whole side color here with the blue, and then also our white gel stripe. Making our way down the side of the boat, we have our fiberglass tower up there, and then a really spacious swim platform here with the teak, our dynamic running surface, underwater lighting. This also has the submersible swim step that goes down into the water, and then the twin 300 Bravo 3s. Let's hop up inside and check out some of the features. All right, so welcome inside this beautiful 350 SLX. Starting back here on the stern, again, we have a large swim platform back here, tons of space to jump on and off the boat. We have the seats folded up here, so it's a great spot. If you're anchored, you can sit back here, hang out and relax, and then this does fold away. Nice entryway inside the boat. So you can see with the espresso upholstery and then the teak finish on the table and the flooring, just looks incredible inside. Nice wraparound seating right here. And then over here, we do have a grill, and then also a refrigerator below, a sink, so it's a nice little wet bar to maybe grill out some food when you're on the water. Looking up at the top here, we do have our aft sunshade, so this is going to go all the way back and it's going to have plenty of sun protection. And then once you're inside here, you can actually fold this back and have a sunroof. So depending on if you want shade or if you want some sun, you have both capabilities to do that. Walking inside a little bit more here, more seating here on the starboard side, and then over port we have a spot for 2 passengers, both of which on either side have flip-up bolsters. And then right over here, we have a really nice head down here, so plenty of room. All right, so at the helm here, as you can see, we have a couple of our display screens up. So you can set these up in a few different ways. You can have a chart on here. You can have your chart and data, so you can see how your engines are working. And then this does have vessel view on it, so if you want to look at your RPMs, fuel level, temperature, oil pressure, etc., everything's going to be very accessible between these 3 screens. We do have our tilt steering wheel right here, and then nice footrest, so I can sit right here on the bolstered seat and have great visibility as I'm driving down the lake. Our digital throttle and shift, and this also has the joystick on it, so if you're in those tight situations, it's going to make life a lot easier getting on and off the dock. As we walk up here towards the bow, if you check out down below, we have a great area down here just to get out of the sun for a little bit and hang out. And then we have our door that closes right here with our windshield. So if you're on this boat, maybe in the early part of the season here in Minnesota, it's going to block out some of those elements and keep everyone warm and happy. Go up here in the bow, we have tons of seating on either side. Again, this boat's 35 feet, so we have a lot of room to move about. And then we have our windlass anchor up here as well. I didn't mention this earlier, but this boat only has around 193 hours, so low hours for 2018. It's located here at our store in Rogers. Thanks for watching this very brief video today. If you'd like more information for this boat, feel free to give us a call or stop on by. We'd love to show you around. Thanks.